Hey guys, and I'm going to show you how to make a custom thumbnail out of using these three platforms. YouTube, to upload the custom thumbnail. As you can see, I already have custom thumbnail. And also, just a little tip about custom thumbnails. You can only upload custom thumbnails if you're a verified YouTube account. So just click on your YouTube account, go to Creator Studios, I think, and it'll take you here. And you can only do this if you have a YouTube channel. And just go to channel, I think, and just go to upload defaults, stats and features actually. And if it says verified here, then you're verified. You can you're good to go. You can upload custom thumbnails. But if it says verify with a blue button around it, you need to click that and it'll ask you, like, it'll send you a text message or give you a phone call to enter a code. And then after you enter your code, your channel will be verified. So yeah, that's how you do that. And so YouTube is one of the platforms. We're making the custom thumbnail out of Geometry Dash. And the thing we're going to be editing on is kind of like Photoshop, but except xpixlr.com/editor/ and both of them are forward slashes. And I'm just going to minimize that for now, so we'll go down there. So I have another thing minimized. It's saved footage of Jebilance by 80th Boy. It's not I only made the 33 seconds just for the sake of this video, and I did it for the sake of this video. And you want to do a good thumbnail with like action. So I did in like a failed video clip this frame right here. So what I would do is I would Shift Command 4 and this will pop up with like coordinates and stuff, and I'll start down here. Just click and hold. I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm just going to do like about here, like maybe like there. There though, that's good. And you can I'm just gonna close this out now. Don't save. You don't need to save it. I'm not gonna save it just for the sake of this video. And you can see now you have the screenshot on your desktop right here, and you can open it with preview and stuff. And then what you want to do now is go and I'm just gonna close out preview. And you want to go to the online photo editor, what I showed you by Pixlr. I'm just gonna go open image, or if you just immediately open up the website, then it says open image from computer, then click that. But if you want to open an image from this, yeah, like here, then just click open image from computer. That's how you do that. And the other way is file, open image, and select your screenshot that you took, and it will load up in the base, and it'll show you what size it is and all that stuff. So mine is actually pretty big, which I kind of like, and it will size it for you. It'll just make all the stuff for you, and you have all this. So I'm going to teach you what to do now. So what the background is, you might want to make it like kind of like the background. It's like blue and gray and white and all that stuff. But I'm going to do the two colors, blue and gray. So what we want to do is first just type in the name of the level. So Jebilance. And you want to change to the font. If you have the Puzzle font, which is like the ROP top type font, where is it? This font. That's the ROP top type font. Just put that in and then just size it to it. 130 is the max. So I'd recommend like using 130. I'm sorry, that's like the max thing. And they can't rotate. So yeah, I'm sorry, but that's like how much you can go. And then you can just click to edit the text again. You can make that hue, saturation, light, all these. You can do all these. Just right now I'm just gonna change the saturation up and the lightness up. And yeah, so and you can change those up, and I'm gonna change it to oh wait, I actually don't need those because I just need the saturation all the way down, and I need the gray. And yeah, but don't do it exactly the color. And then just and then also do the creator's name. Just do the creator's name. Just text okay, and just do another text, and I forget the creator's name. I just need to. I'm just gonna wait. What was the creator's name again? I'm sorry for this inconvenience stuff, but I just need to see what the creator's name is again. It is Jeb. There we go. 80. Boy, I'm just gonna keep that minimized for now. Ada, what is it again? Sorry for all this stuff, guys, but I'm just having trouble remembering. Sorry for all this stuff, guys. Boy. There we go. J-Villains 80s boy. So now, let's just change the saturation up and the lightness up for now. Just mess with the hue to find a good blue color and just change the saturation down a little bit. It's a purplish. I'll just get to blue saturation. And I think that's right about there. There we go. Not exact. I didn't do it exactly because it would just blend in, and I don't want that to happen. I actually am gonna do 120. Okay. Anyway, the top part of it's still gonna get cut off. I don't really care. Anyway, so you can see it's kind of like Photoshop. You can also do right click on layer 2. Just first press OK. Let's move this up. Okay, there we go. Then you can go to layer styles, and this is when the awesome stuff comes in. You can add a drop shadow, and you can change the opacity of the drop shadow. You can make it just invisible. You can make it, and you can make how far away it's gonna be. And there's a phone call. And I didn't see what this is. You can just try to look at the stuff just for this break. Okay. I have to pause it here. I'm sorry, guys. I'll just continue. It looks like I accidentally made the phone call accidentally was to I didn't make the phone call right, and I was too it was too late. So yeah. The phone call just ended. So yeah, we have drop shadow. I just realized you can change the angle I was just doing. I'm just gonna do I'm just gonna do 135 because that's how I like it. I like it. Wait, minus 135. I like it minus 135. That's how I just really like it. And you can also change the color of it too. I'm just gonna keep it black for now. You have an inner shadow too. I'm just gonna whoa. Anyway, I have an inner shadow. You can also mix that with the secondary color, so I'm just gonna move that in a little bit. And the other color that you didn't use, so the other color that I didn't use was gray, so I'm just gonna change the color to a gray-ish color. I'm just gonna make this distance bigger. And then bevel. Oh, that looks kind of cool. And you can change it to bevel color. Kind of looks like 3D-ish, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't really like it. The outer glow is good for like if you have like feature levels. You can like do the outer glow. And set the hue and like everything. And you could just do the size, and then it would have an outer glow of yellow for like featured levels, which I think is really cool. I'm not going to do the outer glow though, and then there's an inner glow, which I think is also kind of cool. I'm not going to do that right now, but anyway, that's all the layout style. So you can see 80s boy is different from Jubilant, so I'm just going to you can also do the same thing with all the text. So I'm going to do like the same thing. Let me just get this all stuff right. There we go. I think that's right. I think that's right. And color, inner shadow, I think I made. Oh yeah, with the other color, so I'm gonna make that type of blue again. So yeah, I'm gonna make that blue again. We're not at that noise is in the background, just the air conditioner for the basement. Anyway, just get that blue again. And there we go, that's better. And did I ever put in the inner glow? I forget. I'm just gonna X that out. Oh, I have to do that all over again. Hang on, wait. I just need to see. Layer styles. No, I never did. I don't know. You know, I can actually copy the layer style and paste the layer style. And then this is what I'll do after this. I'll go to layer styles and change the inner shadow to color to instead of gray. Instead of gray, it's going to be the bluish color. So that's how that's how I'm just gonna do it. Okay. Then okay, there we go. I fixed it. There we go. It's pretty good. And yeah, it's not the best thumbnail ever. I'm not really good at making it. Anyway, now what you want to do if it's a feature level, which if it's a feature level, I would probably put like I would know what to do. Like if I would say Jeb Lance is a feature level, which I think it should be, so I'm just gonna put the outer ring on it. What I would do is I would go to layer, open image as layer, and then if you had like an icon kit or something, if you had like an icon kit, let me just get something. Have like one of these icon kits things, and just open that up, and if you have icon kit 2.1 by DAC 2014 and see icon faces, just open this up and it'll give you all the faces. Anyway, just put the harder face in, and if this is down there, don't worry about that because I'm gonna tell you what to do with that. And also, don't mess it up by doing this one. If you don't want to mess it up by doing that, then press Shift and then just size it down. So you can place it like down here, peeking out just somewhere here, but just don't make it like in the middle. You could do that for like demon stuff, and you can manage the layers. I'm just gonna make this and then just cancel if you don't want the changes. And then there's the rotate tool. You can rotate images but not text exactly, which I think is just really dumb and stupid because you can't rotate text. It won't make the thumbnail look cool, man. What are you thinking? Ugh. Anyway, let's yeah. Hi.
I need you to come upstairs for a bit.
Oh, sorry about this, guys. I just need to head upstairs, so yeah. I'll just continue this.
It's now 7:19 p.m. It's really late. I'm sorry about
I just didn't really get to finish the thumbnail. It's right where it is and all that stuff. And sorry for like the faded audio. I was just turning off the TV because I was watching TV while I was eating dinner and I took a shower and all that stuff. Let's continue off let's start where I continue now. So I was making this bigger. Oh yeah, I was gonna make an owl layer for it. So yes. If you think it's good, then select yes, apply the changes, and then just I'm gonna move that on top of 80th boy. Anyway, now I'm just gonna layer styles it now. Outer glow, hard, size, and then hardness, like that. Just say it was a feature level. So I'm just gonna go like that. I would change it to the yellow. Just make all this stuff go up. And then it would act like it's a featured level since and the opacity is 100 and it looks like the featured level glow. That was what you do if it's a featured level, but Jubilance nailed it. Jubilance is not a feature level, so I would just leave it blank. And if it has user coins in it, you'd probably want to add those user coins. Even if it's unverified, just add like a picture of just user coins. So what you want to do is go to layer, open image as layer. I think I actually have some user coins in my downloads. I'm not too sure. I don't think oh yeah, I do. I have user coins and secret coins. So you just open up the user coin file, and it'll be there, and just free transform it, and just, or you can just select the move tool and just move it around. I would just use free transform because you can also rotate it. Anyway, then just rotate it however you need to rotate it. Anyway, just set the user coins up and make the coins be on top of the layer for now. And what you want to do is you want to duplicate the layer, and it's like the layer that you copied, and free transform that. Move it over here. And I would move that coin, the main coin, on top of all the other coins. That's what I would do. I guess that's what I would do. And I'll do it like in this somewhat pattern. And then I'm just not going to deal with layers right now. And then just duplicate that layer. And free transform, move the layer, and rotate it. Practically all you have to do there. And I messed it up, so I'm just gonna do want to apply the changes now. If you accidentally mesh up and you make it like you don't press shift when you're doing this tool, then just click away from it and just it will say, do you want to apply the changes, and then just click no, and all the changes will go back to normal and everything that you made with a certain layer. Anyway, we have all this. I'm just gonna apply the changes now. You want to move all these coins under the main coin. There we go. And now you want to move these coins under layer 3. So layer 4 copy, layer 4 copy 2, and layer 4. There we go. If you can't really see them, just you could just maybe move them up a little bit. Move it up a little bit. There you go. So you can see them. Move it up a little bit so you can see them. That's how you can just do that, and just do with all the other layers and all that stuff. And just move these up and move them around how you need to move them around. And And then just, yeah, practically your custom thumbnail's done. And if you want to add, like, special stuff in, like to overlay it, like custom filters in, and then that's certainly fine with me. This is just only for a level, but you can do other stuff too. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And wait, I just need to do one more thing. Move this coin a little bit up, and these coins a little bit down, so you're not done. An 80s boy needs to go under layer 4. Happy. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.